Okay, boys, welcome back. Hopefully the weather has turned, so we're going to get out and do a little bit of cricket in the next couple of days, as well as doing your runs. So your 1K run, a 3K run, and a 5K run. So you're going to set your PBs for those. So cricket video. We're going to look at bowling. I know lots of you, especially year four, we didn't do any cricket last year because of COVID. So hopefully when we get back to school, we will have a full cricket season. So it's time to get ahead of the curve really and do a little bit of cricket at home. So I've got a cricket ball. Well, it's a wind ball, and it's got a seam on it. Okay, so the basic grip when we are bowling, if we want to bowl fast, is two fingers, sort of the bunny ears. Okay, they go one finger either side of the seam, and the thumb goes in the bottom just like so. There should be a gap. See that gap in between? So there should be a gap where a finger can pass through. And the hands, these two fingers just rest underneath. So that is the basic grip. So first of all, before we go into bowling, we need to look at how you prefer to bowl. So when you bowl, you want to make sure that you've got your spine in the line with your feet. So when I bowl, my action, if you watch this back foot, as I bowl, my back foot is pretty straight. So I keep everything quite straight on so I can reach up and I bowl straight. What wouldn't be good is if I put my foot straight and then I turn my back, then I'm putting a lot of strain on my back for when I bowl that way. Okay, so you need to work out when you bowl, what position is your back foot? Okay, is it straight? The alternative, which lots of people will do, is a cricket is sideways on, is when they jump, they turn to a right angle. That way, then you bowl, and I keep my spine in line as I bowl that way. Okay, so it's important on the back foot. So you may need mum or dad just to check when you bowl, what direction does your foot point? Okay, you want to keep it in line. I keep it nice and straight, and then come through that way. Okay, if you put your foot to the side, then you should be looking over that front arm. So when you bowl, you're not stressing your back. So what I've got here is a little hurdle. So to build up the bowling action, this is what we do. So we start one pace away. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to take my left foot. It will be first. So 2 feet together. All you got to do, you remember you bowl after the hurdle. Okay, so to start off with, I take a step. As I lift my right leg up, I'll also bring up my right arm. I don't want to see arms going out to the side. I want to keep everything nice and simple. So from here, nice and tight, I lift up my right leg and my right hand. So it's almost like eating an apple. So you come up into that position. From that position, you then bring it down over the hurdle or just a sock, whatever you've got on the floor. Then you bring the other leg over. So as I bring that leg over, I bring my arm up. Then I reach up to bowl. So let me show you that again. So 2 steps away, or 1 step away, sorry. Step with your left, over the hurdle, eat the apple, down, and bowl. So that is the bowling action. So all you want to do a few times is, I like to keep everything nice and straight lines. So when I come over, I want to make sure that when I come over, my arm doesn't go out to the side, and I keep it nice and straight. Okay? So what you don't want to see is when you video yourself, I don't want to see arms coming up, legs coming over, and it's all over the place. You want to keep it nice and simple. So then you can develop it to having little run up, so it's just, and bowling the ball. Okay? So watching, so it's one pace. So by take off foot, this would be your jump. So then it's to jump over the hurdle to bowl. Remember, you bowl after you go over the hurdle or a sock or something that you've got down. You might have cones or something you can work on. So from here, you want to jump it. So jump, then bowl. Okay, I want you to give that a little go. Video yourself and send them over to me, and I can have a little look and help you out by a little bit of video analysis. So give that a go. Then if you've got room in your garden, so you'll just want to measure out your garden, and if you've got a little bit of a run up, you can have a run up and just try to bowl 20 or 30 balls. See if you can hit the stumps. Put a stick in the ground, a wheelie bin or something like that. Good luck, boys.